Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about UGC Care updated list which is published on 1st July 2020. Before publishing a paper in UGC Care or Scopus Index journal, researcher, academician, student should make sure journal is listed in UGC Care or Scopus database. And also check whether journal is not cloned journal of some original print journal. I already created many videos on some cloned fake journals of some original print journals. If you feel the videos that I created is useful and informative, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have any query or doubt about journal authenticity or about indexing of any journal, please post your queries or you can write to me. Here you can search UGC Care list. The UGC Care list is divided into Group 1 and Group 2. All journals which are indexed in globally recognized databases such as Web of Science and Scopus, these journals are included in UGC Care list Group 2, and the journals which sent to UGC Care for inclusion directly through some IQAC cell of university, and if that journal is selected, that journal is included in UGC Care list Group 1. Before few days, I already created a videos of cloned journals. So on 1st July 2020, UGC has published the list of cloned journals. Here the list is available. You can check. And few days back, I already created one video on this clone journals. Here you can check the video in my channel. Journal. Here I listed some clone journals in my previous video. Now on 1st July 2020, UGC has published a list of 24 journals which are cloned, and it is requested that researcher, academician, student should not publish their valuable work in these cloned journals. Again, when you people are going to publish your paper in any research journal, so before submitting your valuable work, you need to check whether that journal is indexed with UGC Care or Scopus or Web of Science. In my previous video, I already mentioned if any journal is having only ISSN, print ISSN. So make sure there should be no website for that journal. Here, if you check this clone journal list, you can find out the URL is missing in every print journal which is indexed with UGC Care. Here URL is missing, here URL is missing. And by taking advantage of this print journal indexing, some people created clone copy of this journal, print journal, and they attract researcher, academician and student by publishing their fake information. And these fake cloned journal ask researcher, academician and student to pay minimum fees. So people also, researcher, academician, send their valuable work to this clone journal if they asking only 1000 or rupees 2000 fees. So I request all academician, researcher, student to make sure that journal is not cloned journal of original print journal. So here you can check all those journals which is listed by UGC CARE. Again, some journals which are indexed in UGC CARE list group 2, that is Scopus Index journal, are removed by UGC CARE. In last updation on 1st April 2020, there was 71 journals of Scopus Index which were removed from the UGC CARE. Now the list is increased and total number of journals, Scopus journal, removed from UGC CARE list is now 77. So total 77 journals are removed from UGC CARE list. These journals are Scopus Index journal, but it is removed by UGC CARE list due to many complaints they received about this journal. Here the reason of removing these journals is mentioned on UGC CARE website. Along with this, UGC CARE has included 25 new journals in updated list which is published on 1st July 2020, and total 13 journals are removed from previous list. That is, these 13 journals are discontinued from July 2020. Regarding this, I already uploaded one video where I listed all the journals which are removed and which are added in UGC CARE list. Now you can check the Scopus Index journal which are removed from UGC CARE group 2. So these 77 journals cannot be used for any academic purposes in India. These are the journals, you can check yourself. The list is given here. You can check the list. All these journals are Scopus Index journals, and these journals are removed from UGC CARE list. So these journals cannot be used for any academic purposes in India. So it is most important. Many people, researchers, are publishing their research paper, review paper in this Scopus Index journal. But this journal cannot be considered for any academic purposes. So all these 77 journals I have listed in my video. I hope this video will be helpful in your research, in your work. If you really feel the work is useful, the video is useful in your research, during your research, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.